Tyler, Destiny, and Jasmine. We're outside of where Oma and Opa work for the summer, and so does Jacob and Molly. And we recorded a drone show for you, and we want you to be able to see a really cool drone show where we work. We're outside of the Lego store. Why can't I get it? There we go. There's Mickey Mouse. We hope you enjoy the show. Bye.
Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Spirit guide. He's like a spirit guide.
Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's not home. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Clear. Coming in, point 3. Watch that crossfire, boys. Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in. Primary again.
The force is strong with us.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing and go home.
The Force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.